Have you been trying to start a YouTube channel, but nothing seems to work? You spend hours planning, filming, and editing, yet your views barely trickle in? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to break down everythingies, literally every single little thing you need to do to start a YouTube channel the right way. We're going to cover 1. Channel creation, which is why setting up your channel properly is crucial. 2. Optimization hacks, that is the secret sauce to getting discovered. 3. Content creation strategy. This is the step-by-step guide to making binge-worthy videos. 4. Uploading the correct way. Make sure to watch until the end because you might be making small but deadly mistakes that are stopping your success. Let's dive in.
Step 1. Finding a niche and creating your channel. When researching a niche, I came across an incredible channel dedicated to robotic and creative innovations, Stuff Made Here. This channel has gained over 4.6 million subscribers and nearly 9.7 million views with just 124 uploads. It had experienced massive growth, proving that picking the right niche and executing it well can lead to rapid success. Inspired by this, let's create a similar channel with our unique twist. First, we need a channel name. Instead of brainstorming manually, we can use AI tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI to generate creative name ideas. So a simple prompt like generate 10 unique ideas for a YouTube channel about creative robotic inventions. Okay, so this is 10, giving me 10 different ideas. I think I like the name Cyber Genius. Okay, so from the suggestions, I like the name Cyber Genius. So we'll pick this, we'll copy this. Next, we craft a channel description, ensuring it includes relevant keywords so that the YouTube algorithm understands the channel focus and audience. Okay, so a simple prompt like create a unique and small description for this channel. The name I selected is Cyber Genius. You can get all these prompts from ChatGPT also. And this is what it looks like. This is a description basically. Okay, so we have opened the YouTube account with the name Cyber Genius and we've added the description already also. So step 2 is designing a logo and banner. A professional looking logo and banner are essential for branding. Instead of hiring a designer, we can use AI tools like Leonardo AI to generate a simple yet effective logo. Okay, so this is what Leonardo AI looks like. So for example, since our channel focuses on robotic and creative invention, we can generate, this is where I have a prompt already, so I'm just going to paste my prompt to generate a minimal sketch of a light bulb fuse to symbolize innovation. So to give us different images here. Okay, so these are images, so many images here. Gives you different options you can choose. I think I'll go for this. This looks good, and so we'll just download this to show you in your downloads. So we already designed our picture, so we want to do our banner. So I have a prompt already. Like I said, you can get all these prompts from ChatGPT. I'll just paste my prompt, edit banner with the correct dimensions that aligns with the theme of robotics and cutting edge, so we'll generate also. Okay, so our YouTube banner is ready. I think I'll go for this. This looks good, so I think I'll just pick this. Yes, it's exactly featuring exactly what we want. Human beings, robots, and YouTube basically. So I'll just click downloads basically. Okay, so since we have our picture and our banner ready already, we're just going to upload them basically. Okay, so I've uploaded our banner image and our picture. Step 3 is optimizing the channel for growth. This step is often overlooked, but it's crucial. We've uploaded our banner, we've done our picture. Now we need to set up channel tags. To find the best channel tags, we can also ask ChatGPT to generate 15 relevant keywords related to our niche. So I have asked ChatGPT to give me 15 relevant keywords related to our niche, and it has given me 15. So okay, so how to put my keywords, my key tags is I'll go to channel, go to settings, go to channel, then go to keywords, right? So I'm just going to paste what ChatGPT has given me here. Okay, so I have done that, and this is what it looks like. This is what it will look like. You can put as many keywords as you want. So I've picked mine, and I have 169, 500. 500 is the limit, right? 500 words is the limit. So I think that's it, and I'll just save it basically. Tag helps YouTube algorithm identify our target audience, improving our chances of being recommended to the right viewers. So step 4, preparing the channel before uploading videos. A common mistake new creators make is uploading videos immediately after creating the channel. Instead, we need to warm up the channel for at least a week. Use the channel as a regular YouTube user. Watch videos related to your niche. Searching for videos related to your niche, liking videos, commenting on them, right? You can just write like lovely, right? Just write, oh, this is cool. You can write, oh, this is cool. So as many videos as you can, so many videos, robots, life hacks, inventions, so many. So you comment on them, as many, just, oh, this is cool, this is innovative. Okay, so as many videos as you can. Do this for at least a week. This signals to YouTube that the channel is authentic, creating its credibility before posting content. So step 5 is content creation. That's finding ideas and writing scripts. Okay, so for this we need to use AI tools like ChatGPT to find video ideas, research topics, write scripts, optimize CEOs, and even create thumbnails. So we need to analyze similar channels and generate unique video ideas. So I have a simple prompt here. I'm just going to paste that. To analyze successful YouTube that talks about not life hacks, more of robotic, since many of our robotic creative inventions and solutions. Look for patterns, generate 5 unique video ideas. So this is it. It's going to give us 5 unique videos: DIY smart solution, building your own automated robot, the evolution. So you pick the one that's best for you. Then let me say I actually have a topic, but let me say robot assistants, a day in life. I can do number 2, write a script, write a 5-minute script on it. Right, a 5 minutes YouTube script. A 5 minutes YouTube script. A day in the lab with the robotic assistants. Are we in the future? Then ChatGPT gives you basically everything that you need. And once we have our script ready, we move on to creating videos, which goes to step 6. Step 6 is generating AI voiceovers. AI voiceovers, I already have that opened on my tab. You use ElevenLabs basically. So ElevenLabs, you go to home, you tell it what you want. You can do instant speech, you can do voice changer, you can do voices, as you wish. It will automatically give you a voiceover, and you go to your settings, the type of voice you want and how you want it done. You paste the script into the tool and you generate the voiceover, then you download and you save the voice files. So step 7 is creating video visuals. You use CapCut for this one, or you use stock footage or AI generated visuals. Even before using CapCut, you use Leonardo AI, which I talked about before. You use ElevenLabs AI that does image to video feature. Then after you get your videos, you get your pictures, you get your images, you get your stock images, then you edit the video. That's when you're adding the voiceover you already did with ElevenLabs, right? You're adding the videos you got from Leonardo AI, you're adding the pictures you also got from Leonardo AI. Then you put all this together, and you can also ask Leonardo AI to give you a thumbnail. A thumbnail is the first thing you see. Let me show you what a thumbnail is. Okay, so we talked about stuff media. So this is what a thumbnail looks like. This man trying to, when I put my arrow, he plays the video, but you can see this man trying to shoot, right? Okay, you can see this. He's trying to say, oh no, and all these basically are what they call thumbnail. Leonardo AI can do a thumbnail for you, basically. Then you upload. When your thumbnail is ready, you upload the thumbnail to the YouTube and you optimize it for maximum clicks and engagement. But one thing is very crucial when you are uploading the video that you have done is that you need to add relevant hashtags and a compelling video description. It is very important. And lastly, you have to be consistent. See, many of these people, like Stuff Media, have been consistent 2 years ago, 3 years, almost posting 14 million views, 12 million views, and they'll be posting so many content. So for the best results, you have to follow this process at least 4 times a week, and within a month you have about 20 well optimized videos on your channel. By staying consistent, following these exact steps and making improvements along the way, you'll be on your path to building a successful YouTube channel.
If you made it this far, you are already ahead of 99% of new YouTubers. Smash that like button and subscribe for more YouTube success tips. Bye!